When a sewage treatment system is being installed, Portage County Health District has to conduct inspections during installation to ensure it meets state code. Apart from the design criteria of this type of system, the leach lines have to follow natural contour. Portage County Health District wastewater inspectors shoot elevation shots using a transit on each leach line to verify leach lines are on contour. Inspectors also verify the length, width, and depth of the leach lines. Based on state code, the soil report, and design criteria, the leach lines have a limitation to how deep they can be installed and have to meet a minimum length requirement. A leach line system uses a distribution box or a series of drop boxes for sewage effluent to flow through the entire system by gravity. A leach line system always has a line resting. As a good maintenance practice, switch the resting line. This can extend the life of the system. The final inspection is the topsoil cover. For more information, visit our website.